Alright guys, I know I haven't filmed in a while. We're taking a few mates and my dad out. Gonna see how we go down Apple Tree Bay. Got the big old Bertram here. Let's see how we go. Let's get out in the water. Alright guys, Ray caught the first fish. Let us know in the comments below, what is this fish? Never seen that fish before. Definitely not the nicest looking fish. Look at the teeth on him. I'm going to try to get this hook out. Yeah, before the hook comes off here, I'll take a photo of him. Alright, we've got another one on here.
Little baby. He's gone.
It's a little brim, mate.
That's you in a brim.
How little? 10? Oh, yeah.
Just not a keeper. Wanna kiss him goodbye?
Yeah. Yeah, jump on board.
There you go. What do you think you got there, Dad? Little one?
Cockroach. The smallest hook.
Oh, that's the... You got the bait rod?
Yeah. What a big yellow tail.
Bring it over this way because the line's here. Wind yours up, Steve. Oh, this is a nice size brim. Hang on, Steve, hang on. Oh, well, you can't pull him too hard because that's only a small line, eh?
Yeah. Oh, that's a good one.
There you go. That hook will be gone for sure.
Huh?
But it's not a bad fish for a small rod, eh?
Mm-hmm.
But he would have swallowed that for sure, I reckon.
Yeah. How are you going to get that out?
Let me have a look, how far is it?
Nah, you never get that out.
Show me up. Yeah, he's swallowed that. Check him, see if he's a keeper. I hope you're going to keep him.
Yeah.
Yeah, 30. Just cut your line, I'll put another one on for you.
Yeah, I've got one. Get a hook long.
What tank?
Huh? I wish I could in the blue one. Well, there you go. It's nice 30 brim. Let's get that hook out when we fillet it out. Bloody Dad's on again. Don't have much luck today. Taking all the fish, Dad.
The leader on this, Steve, is too big.
Too long.
Too thick.
Oh yeah. Is it? What do you think it is?
Hope it's not one of the ones either.
The ugly looking thing?
Big brim, isn't it?
Hope it's
You reckon it's a brim?
What is it? The poor man's lobster.
Yeah, maybe.
Rock cod.
Rock
I hope
cod.
so. Well, I don't
Nah,
know.
we normally catch them up out there.
Yeah.
You like them?
Brim.
Keeper.
There we go. Another keeper there. Dinner tonight, huh? Wanna grab him?
Either keeper, alright.
Barbecue tonight. What size is he, Dad?
Where's the zero?
Yeah. Come back here a bit. What is it, 28, 29?
Yeah.
Hang on, I'll open it up for you. Oh, there you go, another nice brim. Beauty. Alright, we pulled up anchor. Just drifting now in the centre. Swell's picked up a little bit, I don't know if you can see that. Still not a bad day, the wind's supposed to pick up still. Like all the boats are gone, eh?
Yeah.
Only a couple over there. Check out this way, ready? Like a mini waterfall. Alright, we're going to change spots. Catching absolutely nothing there. Swell's picked up here. We're going to head back in a bit, see if we'll drift some of these sandbars, see if we can get some flathead for dinner. Swell's picked up, we're just riding on the back of one now. I don't know if you can see that, there's a swell there, we're just on the back of this one. Handling it pretty good.
He's diamond and he's best shot.
Bloody.
If he's come for a floody.
Oh, that's nice whiting.
Oh, look, he's got one.
Whiting.
Whiting. Gee, that was quick. Yeah, he just put it in.
Sit still. You bastard. It's a decent sized whiting, eh?
Yo.
Hey,
There we go, just pulled
I
in
don't know
another
what
little
size
whiting.
these ones are.
A lot more comfortable out here. There you go, guys, another whiting.
Oh.
See what Dad's got. Oh, there he goes. Dad's got something here. I'll get the net. Do you want the net? Steve, can you pass that net there, please? He does too. Don't let. That's a. Oh, that was a big bastard too.
Flatty?
You had that drag too tight. You had your drag too tight. That was, guys. So the wind's changed now. Getting definitely a mad gust through here. So we were drifting in that way. As you can see in there. But now, no longer drift. Just froze you too fast. Not holding bottom. So we're going to try anchoring here for a little bit. But the wind is supposed to pick up a little bit more stronger than this. And then we'll start just heading in a little bit. We'll see how we go. Hopefully we can get some floodies. Some nice fillets for tonight. See how we go. We've got something on over here. First cast, eh, Ray? Keep him in the water. Keep him in the water. It's a dewy, you know?
Try him up.
Small dewy.
That's for the big bait.
Was it?
Big prawn and a
Baby dewy, yeah.
Baby Jew.
But see how that one had a good fight to it?
Oh,
The bigger ones, I find they don't fight as hard.
Oh, that's a good
Get a
size.
nice size for you.
That's about 40.
Yeah, spot on. 40, yeah.
Only 300 to go.
How big they got to be?
700.
Is it?
Yeah.
Want to give it a kiss goodbye or what?
Oh,
Huh?
see you next week.
Bloody beauty.
you don't want it.
Oh, that flathead one, that's the same size?
No, it's way bigger.
Way bigger.
That's what Damien said.
Yeah, it was that floody was at least, I think, 68. Hopefully I got some footage of it.
Yeah.
I think you need a big sinker, right? It's not holding.
That was with the white prawn.
Was it?
He ate the lot and one of these.
Yeah. Check out the bait fish there. Let's zoom in on here. Here we go. Here we go. Keep him in the water if it's flooded. Oh, it's that fish again.
Oh, you let go.
What is that?
He took it off with the nippers.
Shoot it.
Fucker just jumped it.
Second one of the day.
Parrot jaw.
Here we go. A little brim, I think. Oh no, that's another whiting. Yeah, Matt. Settle down, mate. Settle down.
You have to take over when it starts matching.
Oh no, you take it. Again. Let's have a little bit more fight. Ah. Getting smaller and smaller, these fish. Little brim. Catching anything, Dad? Whites, right?
Got rid of that stuff.
He did. Look at that little shark eating that live bait.
Oh, shark.
Aggressive little bastard, eh? See if he goes for it again. Look at the bite he took out of it. There he goes, look. He's gonna circle back, look. Here he comes, look. Oh, squid.
What's that?
Squid. Squiddy, yeah. Okay. See how the waves are going this way and we're cutting straight across. See how windy it is there, look, blowing off the waves there in the back. Bertram's handling this like nothing. Very proud of it, eh? Guys, so we are heading in now for the older fellas. Make sure their legs are not sore standing up, trying to hold themselves up. So we'll go somewhere a little bit more comfortable. So we've gone through that thick of it there. I don't think the camera's all adjusted, but this thing kind of eats pretty much a fair few waves. Nothing's going over the bow, so we're ploughing pretty decent. I think we're doing 3,000 RPM. See how fast we're going. I think it's about 30. Alright guys, so this is going to be the last spot of the day. Rank it up here. We're going to try in this little cove here. You never know how to get a snapper. Nah, it's a lot calmer for them. Their legs don't hurt. And then we'll get out and call it a day. There we go. Just as we turned off the camera, just as we left, we caught a little arrow squid. So we chucked it on here. See how we go.
He has a friggin' squid head, the bastard.
Did you?
Yeah, he's got to be big for someone.
Not very
Pliers, eh?
I got him, but I don't.
Huh? Where's your pliers? Huh? Oh, that's right.
Is he going?
There he goes.
Yeah, he's going. Look.
There he's going.
No luck on that spot.